Hello good people. Welcome to the Elegant Mart channel. In this video, we will try to list best 5 Blu-ray players. We try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. We just try to help you to find your best one. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Thank you. Number 5. Sanyo Blu-ray Player. 1080 pixel Full HD Blu-ray Player. Plays back BD, DVD, and USB. Ultra Slim Blu-ray Player in black. Simple remote control. Watch your favorite movies in stunning quality with the Sanyo FWBP505F Blu-ray Player. It features an ultra slim design with a sleek look and fits into most any entertainment center. The Sanyo Blu-ray DVD player's Full HD resolution of 1080 pixel allows you to enjoy films with rich visuals and in incredible detail. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Panasonic 4K Ultra. Enjoy a new level of premium home entertainment with high dynamic range playback in 4K, HDR formats HDR10+, HDR10, Dolby Vision and Hybrid Log Gamma, HOG. Panasonic powerful HCX processor, Hollywood cinema experience, delivers precise chroma and HDR processing for beyond dazzling color and detail in all your 4K, HDR content. Works with Alexa, command a variety of operations without your remote with Alexa, plus access a wider variety of 4K content with 4K VOD streaming from Prime Video, Netflix, and YouTube. Bask in sound with a 192 kHz, 32-bit 4DAC for high-res audio that reveals both rich and delicate tones. Twin HDMI terminals separate and transmit AV signals for higher sound quality. Connect to your audio system for high-res studio master sound from DSD, 5.6 MHz, 2.8 MHz, 11.2 MHz, and ALAC music files and WAV, FLAC, MP3, AAC, WMA, AIFF formats. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. LG Blu-ray Player. Plays Blu-ray and DVDs. Make the most of your HD TV. Blu-ray disc playback delivers exceptional Full HD 1080 pixel video performance along with stunning high-definition sound. Built-in Wi-Fi. Connecting your LG AV product to the internet and the world of online content is easy when you have Wi-Fi built in. Smart Hi-Fi compatible. Connect your LG Smart Hi-Fi compatible device to your network via Wi-Fi to send music from your CD or USB to LG Music Flow speakers. If you have an existing wireless broadband network, setup is simple, and you don't need to worry about messy wires. The refurbishing process includes functionality testing, basic cleaning, inspection, and repackaging. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Samsung BD F5700. Supports Netflix, AccuWeather, YouTube, Twitter, Flickr, Facebook, Pandora, Vudu, Cinema Now, Flinko, Fapsity. Playback formats include MPEG 2.4, UHD, MKV, WMV, JPEG, LPCM, AAC, MP3, WMA. HDMI and coaxial digital audio outputs. Wi-Fi built-in. All share. Like new. Works perfect. Not in original box. Please check the description for details and best price. And number 1. Sony BD-PS3700. Stream from various apps and entertainment services, enjoy fast, stable Wi-Fi even when streaming in HD. View smartphone content on your TV with Miracast screen mirroring technology, Full HD 1080 pixel Blu-ray disc playback, and DVD upscaling, improved boot up and loading times with super quick start. Control your device and browse content from a mobile device with TV side view. Enjoy music, photos, and video via front USB slot. Digital Living Network Alliance, DLNA, is an industry-wide standard for sharing data over a home network. Network, Wi-Fi built-in, 2.4 GHz, MIMO. Connects Blu-ray players, Fire TV, Apple TV, PS4, PS3, Xbox One, Xbox 360, computers and other HDMI-enabled devices to TVs, displays, AV receivers and more. Please check the description for details and best price.